Swan farming is not a new business concept. People are raising swans as pet and for beauty purpose from a long time ago. We are trying to discuss about raising and breeding swans for the purpose of selling as pets or to the hobby farmers. Swans are largest among the flying birds. The largest species of swan can reach a length of over 1.5 meter and weight over 15 kilograms. And their wingspans can over 3.1 meters. The swans are much larger, and have proportionally larger feet and necks. The females are much smaller, and lighter than the males. Their average lifespan is between 10 and 30 years, or even more depending on species, protection and environment. Swan is among the very precious bird species. Swans are highly priced in both the domestic and international market. The swans are very strong and hardy birds, and they generally require less caring and other management. They can adapt themselves with almost all types of environmental conditions. They are highly resistant to the most common avian diseases. Commercial swan farming can be a very good business idea for the unemployed educated people. To farm, you can choose any of the species of swans, depending on the price and availability in your area. Feeding the birds with very good quality and nutritious feed is very important for good growth and good health of the birds. You can feed your swans with ready-made or commercial poultry feeds available in the market. They will consume food from natural sources if you allow them to roam freely. Swans eat the leaves, seeds, stems, and tubers of submerged aquatic vegetation, grasses, algae, larvae, fish, insects and small invertebrates. Always provide birds with enough clean and fresh drinking water, as per their demand. Also keep adequate numbers of waterer inside their house. It is very important to making a very good housing system for swan farming. The swans are very clean birds, and they love to live in clean place. So, the house must have to be clean, and also comfortable for the birds. Try to make the house in an open and airy place, and it must have to be well ventilated. Depending on the species, breeding season of swan is from early spring to late summer. Generally, the number of eggs in each clutch ranges from 3 to 8. Incubation is primarily the responsibility of the female. Parents will lead their cygnets to the water to swim, and feed 24 hours after hatching. However, if you can successfully start raising swans, you will definitely be able to sell your birds at a very high price. And you can make a very good profit from this business.